seats. Sorry, Elias, you need your seat. Come.
I'm at my seat.
You can stand, but you need to add your seats.
Oh, dude, you got
You didn't even move. I want the aisleway clear. That's kind of what I want. The aisleway clear. Oops, that was too much. Okay, so these are my butane bubbles. And Angeline, can you turn the lights off? And let me
See, she's on video.
That makes more sense.
Dude, I can't see shit in my video. What if it explodes and then a zombie apocalypse happens? We get it on video.
Then we get to be the first zombies. Congratulations.
I thought you were
Wait, what is she doing with the fire?
I'm a zombie too.
There we go, okay. You put this on, I can't use my name. So I can find it.
Dude, I only have 30 seconds.
So I have my butane-filled bubbles. I have my lovely assistant. Okay? Alright, ready?
Oh, dang.
Now light the bubbles on fire.
Whoa! Let's do that twice. Yes!
Dude, that was bad. Oh, I didn't get it on video. Right here. I want to get close. Dude, I can feel the heat from right here. That's great.
Someone else's camera, my camera's busy.
Wow. This is like better than normal bubbles.
It was cooler the first time.
I said we were the third time. Yeah, one more.
It was cooler the first time.
She keeps on doing it, dude. I'm just gonna burn the whole thing. Dude, I want to go and light the bubbles on fire. I'm lighting this off. He's on fire.
I know, right?
That'd be badass. The bubbles like land on her face. You light the bubbles on fire. Damn it, you guys are lucky with your iPods.
Hidden, I'll send it to you. You can't even see nothing.
Use my name to put this on YouTube.
What about Facebook?
Oh, Facebook. I'm not your friends on Facebook.
Too bad.
I don't even know why I'm not even
Dude, I wish I had my iPod.
Also, like the one day
I know, it's not working. Come on.
I'm gonna edit this like so clean.
Maybe, huh?
Do the brightness. Better brightness though. What's the thing?
On fire.
Her hair.
It's running around.
Like her hair. What kind of gas is that? I need to get me some.
Alright, ready? Let's do quick before it gets this. Hurry up. Go.
Oh, that one was fun.
Alright.
What if like the class